Hello and welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor and Thanksgiving is approaching faster than I care to admit. So today I have a super simple recipe that deserves a spot on your Thanksgiving table. Candied carrots. So let's dive in. Place a medium-sized pot on the stove and bring some water to a boil. Once it's bubbling, add in some baby carrots. Let that cook for 10 minutes until they become nice and tender. Strain them out and set them aside for now. Grab a medium saucepan and melt some vegan butter on medium heat. Once it's melted, add in some brown sugar and agave nectar. Now add in some cinnamon and a small amount of vanilla extract. Mix that together on the heat until it comes to a boil, then add in your carrots. Make sure all the carrots are coated with this delicious glaze and then keep stirring them on the heat for another 5 minutes. These are looking fabulous, so let's plate this dish. Now you know this is going to be on my Thanksgiving table this year. The sugar from our ingredients goes perfectly with the natural sweetness of the carrot to give you a wonderful, wonderful side dish. Well, that is going to do it for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know what are some of your favorite Thanksgiving sides in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat. This is a lot harder to get this on the fork than I was originally anticipating.